Hello, Cardinals. Today's assignment is going to be continuing what we did yesterday with looking at vegetation and land biomes. So we want to hop into our modules here. We get down to looking at 902, right, today's date. Yesterday we did vegetation biomes. Today we're going to look at some maps with those same vegetation biomes. Our bell work returns today to watching some current events, looking at CNN 10. After you watch that and answer the questions, you'll hit next. From here, you will watch this screencastify that I'm talking you through now. You've already should have completed your bell work. And so directions, you're going to use the map links highlighted blue to look at multiple regions of Africa and Asia and answer the questions about this map. So thinking back to our vegetation biomes and land biomes, we have biomes like desert and deciduous forests. We have deserts like freshwater and saltwater that make up the aquatic biome. And so we have all these different biomes with their own specific climates and physical features, plants and animals. And today you're going to look at the regions of North Africa, Southwest Asia, Sub-Saharan Africa, East Asia, and South Asia, and look at what biomes are found in these regions. Okay, so you're going to load the vegetation biome worksheet in a new window. From here, you're going to load this into another new window, right? You click right here. And a review from yesterday. What types of vegetation biomes do you remember from our Newsella article and Brain Pop activities? I just listed out three here in the screencastify. Hopefully that will help you remember. And then once you have completed your review, you move down to North Africa and Southwest Asia. Okay, I'm going to leave that one for you. I am going to demonstrate South Asia, right? So you click on the date, or not the date, sorry, you click on the header, pull up the map. Right, when we pull up the map, we can see there is tropical forest, which we know is heavy rainfall. We have temperate forest, a taiga, a tropical grassland, temperate grassland, mountain grassland, tundra, Mediterranean, and a desert, right? So there is no Arctic or subarctic right here in South Asia, right? So, question number one, what's the most common biome in India? The most common biome in India. When we look at this, right, it is overwhelmingly, in the country of India, overwhelmingly tropical forest, right? So, tropical forest. This could be the same as tropical rainforest here. All right. And so what types of things can we surmise, or what observation can I make based on the fact that the majority of India is tropical forest, is that in India, it's going to rain a lot, right? Probably more than 50 centimeters a year. And part of the reason for that is India has monsoons. They have a wet season and a dry season. And we talked about monsoons a little bit on how they're kind of like hurricanes and the fact that they're windy. And then that wind itself pushes the moisture from the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean over this region, and which then comes down as rainfall, right? So we have tropical forest. Well, what about Pakistan, right? So we want to name all the biomes in Pakistan, right? And so we want to make sure the border, right? India's border goes all the way to here. This brown line right here will be the border all the way up into like this, right? So what biomes can I see based on this map? Well, I see a temperate grassland right here. I see a little bit of tropical. No, I'm sorry. I see a little bit of tropical forest here, a little bit of temperate grassland. For the most part, in Pakistan is desert, right? I see a little mountain grassland, a little temperate forest, a little tropical forest, just like down here, right? And then I see some mountain grassland. And those will be all of the all of the vegetation biomes that you can find in Pakistan, right? We look at Bangladesh, right? The country of Bangladesh right here. Bangladesh only has one vegetation biome, and that is tropical forest, right? And so we can surmise that in Bangladesh, it's going to rain all year round, anywhere you're at, okay? So from here, right, you would go in and you would list out some like bolded mountain grassland, desert, timber forest, and so on. Okay. And then you will continue to make your way through, completing the questions, especially looking at questions number 3. Which areas would you predict best support life in North Africa? Would you expect to find food shortages? Making some good observations using these. All right. Hey, guys, have a good day. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Miss y'all. Love y'all.